I'll guide you through how to contact TikTok customer service for help in an easy way without endlessly searching for a phone number or email that doesn't exist. If you're looking to recover a hacked account or you need to report a technical issue with the app and you want to find the most effective way to reach a TikTok representative, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. If you're having issues with your TikTok account, the first place to look for help is TikTok's web-based self-help help center. This page is especially useful if you are logged out and cannot access the in-app feature. You can find it at support.tiktok.com. While on the Help Center page, you can access answers to various support topics that may cover your issue. If you can't find a relevant topic for your issue, scroll down and tap Chat with Us to connect with the TikTok help desk for assistance. Sometimes the self-help help documents may not provide help for your problem. Then in that case, the next option is to contact TikTok customer service through the app itself. TikTok does not have a public-facing phone number or a general email address for support, so the in-app help system is your best option. To access it, tap your profile icon on the app, then tap the menu button in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Report a Problem. This section allows you to submit a detailed report, which is the official way to get a response from a TikTok representative. For specific issues like a compromised account or a bug, TikTok provides a dedicated web-based feedback form. This is especially useful if you are logged out and cannot access the in-app feature. You can find a link to this form in the TikTok Help Center. This form allows you to provide a detailed description of your issue and include your email address for a response. Finally, while not a direct support channel, you can also try using social media. Tagging the official TikTok support handle on platforms like X or Twitter at TikTok Support can sometimes draw attention to your issue, though it's not a guaranteed method for a private resolution. By this, you have successfully learned how to contact TikTok customer service for help. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more social media video tutorials. Thanks for watching.